Hello friends, I am here to explain quantitative aptitude. For any competitive exam, this chapter is very important. In part of solving arithmetic questions, speed maths is very important. So, in part of speed maths, we should learn and remember 30 square values and 20 to 25 cube values. So, in easy way, how can we calculate square values? Let me see. First one is base values. Okay, for 50 base, multiply with 1 by 2. For 100 base, multiply with 1. For 200 base, multiply with 2. For 200 base, multiply with 2. For 300, 3, and so on. Okay, take one example. 103. Okay, 103 square. 3 square value is 09. 103 plus 3, 106. Okay, 106 multiply with 1. So we'll get 106, 09. Now check 200 base example. 203 square. This is, you can write it as 200 plus 3. Take the 3 square value as 09. And 203, 3. 206. Multiply with, this is 200 base now. You should multiply with 2. 2 6, 12. 2 0 0 1. 2 2 0 4. 4 1 2 0 9 is the square value of 203. Is 50 base method. Okay, 50 base method means the values near to 50, closer to 50. How can we find the square value? Let me take example as 52 square. Now this is 2 greater than the 50. Okay, now take the 2 square value, that is 0, 4. Now 25 as constant value for closer to 50 values. How much is greater than 52? 2. So 25 plus 2. So 27. This is the square value of 52 square. Now take another example. 48 square. This is how much less than the 50? 2. So take the value of 2 square and take constant value as 25. How much less than the 50? 2. So 2. Subtract the 2 from 25. Then we'll get 2304. That is the square value of 48 square. Another example. 56 square. So 50 plus 6. 6 square, 36, 25 as constant, add 6 to 25, 31. Okay, 56 square value is 31, 36. Let me see 100 base method. Base method. This means the values which are close to 100, we can find square values. Let me take example 102 square. This is, we can write it as 100 plus 2. Take the value of 2 square, that is in unit digit place 04. Then add original number to how much is it is greater value. Okay, that is 104. This extra value is added to the base value. This is the square value of 102 and 102 square. Okay, let me take another example. 98 square. This is how much less than the 100? 2. Take the 2 square value and subtract the 2 from the base value, that is 96. Okay. Next one. Unit digit ends with 5. Unit digit ends with 5. First example is 35 square. Take the 5 square value 25 and 3. Next consecutive number 4. 3 4s are 12. Multiply next consecutive number with base value. So 3 4s are 12. 55 square. 5 square 25. Next consecutive number is 6. 5 6 are 30. Okay. Let me check another example. 95. 5 square value is 25 and next consecutive number is 10. 90. 90 25 is the value of 95 square. Okay. Next. Any 2-digit number square value. 23 square. Okay, let me take example as 23 square. 3 square 09, 2 square 04, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Leave one place and add 12 to here. 9, 2, 5. 529 is the square value of 23 square. Next, another example is 58 square. 8 square 64. 5 square 25. 5 8s are 40. 42s are 80. 4, 6, 13, 3, 3, 6, 4 is the square value of 58 square. Okay. Now, how can we find the cube values? Cube values. Okay. Take example as 12 cube. Okay. This is cube value. So, take 3 digits here. Okay. 2 cube 8. Keep zeros here. 1 cube 1. Okay. 1 2s are 2. 2 3s are 8. 1 2s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Multiply 6 with this 12. 12 into 6, that is 72. Again leave space here. 8, 2, 7, 1. Okay. Another example is 21 cube. Same. Write 3 spaces. 1 cube 0 0 1 and 2 cube 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Multiply 6 with 21. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 1 6 2 9. 9 to 6 1 is the cube value of 21 cube. Okay. Next one is square root values. How can we find the square root values in easy way? The speed match is very important to get more score in less time in all competitive exams. Okay. Middle number as 0. How can we find the which number having middle number as 0. No. Middle number as 0 means take example as middle number as 0. Take example as 607 whole square. Take the 7 square value 49. Okay. Now take the 6 square value 36. Okay. Then multiply 6 with 7 42. Okay. 42 with 2 because this is square value. So 84. Okay. Answer is 36849. Now square root values. Before that we should write 1 square to 9 square. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, okay, 10 square 100. Now we can see, observe here, 1 square value and 9 square value ends with unit digit as 1. Now 2 square value and 8 square value, unit digit ends with 4. Next 3 square value and 7 square value ends with unit digit as 9. Next 4 square and 6 square value as 6. Okay. Now take the example as square root 4096. Okay. Which number is in unit digit place? 6. Where we can find 4 or 6. Okay. 4 or 6 in unit digit place. This is square root value. So leave 2 spaces. Remaining value is 40. 40 is in between 6 square and 7 square. Okay. So take the smaller value 6. Okay. Then which one is correct answer? How can we find? Let me see. 6 sevens are 42. 42 is greater than the 40. Otherwise 40 is less than the 42. So take the lesser value. 64 is the right answer. Next another example. 1024. Okay. Unit digit is 4. Okay. You can expect 2 or 8. 2 or 8 in unit digit place. So leave 2 spaces. Another value is 10. Remaining value is 10. This is 3 square and 4 square. In between 3 square and 4 square. Okay. Take the lesser value and multiply with 3 and 4. 12. 12. 10 is lesser than 12. So 32 is right answer. Okay. This is the way of finding square root values. Next, cube root values. How can we find cube root values? 1 cube, 1, 2 cube, 8, 3 cube, 27, 4 cube, 64, 5 cube, 125, 6 cube, 216, 7 cube, 343, 8 cube, 512, 9 cube, 729, 10 cube, 1000. Okay. Here let me see, for 2 cube and 8 cube, vice versa. 2 is ending with units place as 8, 8 is ending with unit place as 2. Okay, next one, 3 and 7. This is ending with 7 and this is unit place as 3. Next one, 4 and remaining values are same. 1 cube is 1, 4 cube is 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 9, 9, 10, 10. Okay. Now let me take example. 2197 is an example. Now unit digit is 7. Unit digit is 7. So we can expect 3 as unit place. In this example, unit digit is 7. So 7 where we can get 3. 3. Here this is the cube root value. So leave the 3 places. Remaining value is 2. 2 is in between 1 cube and 2 cube. Take the lesser value always. Okay. So 1. 13 is the cube root value as 2197. Okay. Now let me take another example. 1728. Okay. Here units place as 8. So for 2 we can get 8. Write 2 as unit digit place. Leave the 3 places. Remaining value is 1. Okay. 1 is between 1 cube and 2 cube. So take always lesser value. 12 cube value is the 1728. Okay. Multiplication of consecutive numbers. Okay. Take example as 2 into 3. Okay. Here I will write one formula. Smaller value square plus smallest value. Or greater value square minus greatest value. Okay. Now check. 2 square 4 plus 2, that is 6. Next 3 square 9 minus 3, 6. In 2 ways we can find the consecutive numbers multiplication. Next another example. 25 into 26. Okay. 25 square 625. Adding of same value 650. Okay. This is the multiplication of consecutive numbers in easy way. Next one is multiplication of even numbers or odd numbers. Multiplication of even or odd numbers. Okay. Take the example 2 into 4. 2 even numbers. Consecutive even numbers are odd numbers. 3 into 5. Sorry, this is consecutive. Okay. Take the middle value 3. Square it and subtract 1. 9 minus 1, 8. Here. Take the middle value 4. Square it and subtract minus 1 from 16. 15. Take another example. 9 into 11. Take the middle value 10 square minus 1. 100 minus 1, 99. 14 into 16. Take the middle value 15 square minus 1, 225 minus 1, 224. Okay. This is the way of multiplication of consecutive even or odd numbers. Okay. Multiplication of 11. Multiplication with 11. Let me see. 245 into multiply with 11. How can we do? Take the units place value. Next, backward addition. 5 plus 4, 9. Then 4 plus 2, 6. Take the first value 2. 2, 6, 9, 5 is the multiplication value of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Multiply with 11. Okay. Take the units value as 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 3 plus 4, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. 1 plus 2, 3. And first value. 1, 3, 5. 7, 9, 5 is the multiplication value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. Okay. Let me take another example. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 11. Take the units value as 6, 6, 5, 11. Take the units value and carry forward. 5, 4, 9 and 1, 10. 4, 3, 7 and 8. 2, 3, 5 and 2. 2, 5, 8, 0, 1, 6. Okay friends, this is the speed match. Next session we will see simplification and approximation. In this session we learned all speed maths topics. By practicing this we can speed it in exam. In less time we can score more marks and we should attempt more marks and we should attempt more questions in less time. We have target in the exam. So further we should practice speed maths daily. 4 to 5 squares and cube values we should practice. By this we can easily remind the values of it. Okay friends, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubts mention in comments. I will give speed maths questions in description box. Okay, thank you, bye.